Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and a very major news happened in United States internal politics, in the MAGA movement. Kristi Noem, this girl over here, is sacked by Donald Trump. This is actually pretty interesting development because I don't think it was hinted. I don't remember seeing anything that's hinted. There's a lot of people unhappy with the way how the DHS or the way how the deportations and the ICE operations are being operated, but there is no signs that Donald Trump is going to just sack her. But yes, she got sacked. So Donald Trump has dismissed the Homeland Security Secretary, Kristi Noem, and selected a new senator to take over. And I think this is the one taking over, I guess. Is not? I cannot remember. I saw something earlier about this, but I didn't I forgot to take note of it, bookmarked it. But anyway, so allegedly the US, okay, so this is the guy who is taking over, Markwayne Mullen. Yeah, this is the guy. Yeah, so correct. This is the guy is taking over. So apparently the US president is unhappy with Kristi Noem's job or work, and that it comes after the Senate hearing. So this Senate hearing is quite damning. Like they basically grilled her like nobody's business. So there is this DHS advertising campaign where she is the star of the campaign, which costs $220 million. Why would you spend this much money on advertising? I don't know. Noem will become special envoy for a new security initiative in the Western Hemisphere called the Shield of the Americas. So looks like she's not entirely sacked, but there will be a replacement. Looks like this very serious guy. So maybe there will be some changes in the way how the illegal immigration thing will be handled. So Noem did not mention much about her sacking or removal, and she's been basically just thanked for the appointment as special envoy of the Shield of the Americas, so to dismantle cartels that pour drugs in the nation. So maybe sacking might be a bit too big of a word, but it's interesting, how she's being removed. And I think she probably have not handled the ICE debacle well enough. I think that's one big reason why she's kind of removed. So yeah, during this hearing, let's see, the House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries said that they say Kristi Noem must be fired or face impeachment. So they say the termination is overdue, and then another one is they say that so Senator Dick Durbin, a Democrat from Illinois, says that the DHS, the Homeland Security of the Department, has no moral compass and respect for the rule of law. Of course, this is the Democratic talking point. This one I say a bit debatable. Because the biggest troubles is all it is all within that one state. That is having all this Somali problems and whatnot. The rest of the country seems to be perfectly fine, in Minnesota. So there is a disaster under her leadership. Innocent people can detain. This one actually turned off a lot of people, even people who support Trump. So this is actually a real problem. The way how it's handled. Senator John Kennedy, someone I really like in the US Senate, a very base person, Republican from Louisiana, questioned about the $220 million spent by DHS on television, saying Noem said that the advertising campaign has been effective, but Kennedy shot back saying they're effective in your name recognition. So yeah, so she is removed. I think first real casualty, I guess, from the Donald Trump's appointments. So this is a interesting change. she's still trusted, I guess, but definitely already can't handle the DHS position, and maybe from the point of view of Donald Trump. So yeah, so I thought it's a serious sacking. So because I was scanning through the article, I didn't see that she was appointed to another thing. But yeah, so just a quick news regarding this US political stuff. This map is still not fully ready yet for use, but I might be releasing to the generals first as a beta, but let's see how that goes. But anyway, thank you for watching. Press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update.